Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. Now you can pick this one up from Samsung.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $1,000. Now I know what you're getting ready to say. Don't say it yet. Alright, so let's go through all of the specs. Now this is available for all carriers. It comes in 3 different colors. You got Mystic Bronze, Mystic Green, and Mystic Gray. For the display, you got a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2400. Now that's 393 for the PPI Patrol. You got Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, a polycarbonate back, and it's IP68 dust and water resistant. For the processor, you got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus with the Adreno 650 GPU. What does that mean in English? Flagship specs, bro. Flagship specs. Now you got 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and no micro SD card slot for expandable memory. It's running Android 10 with Samsung One UI 2.5 skin on top. You got a 4,300 milliamp battery that features 25 watt fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Now you got dual stereo speakers tuned by AKG. For the cameras, on the rear, you got a triple setup. So you got a 12 megapixel wide angle, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 64 megapixel telephoto. On the front, you got a 10 megapixel wide angle lens. Now you also get Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and always on display, face unlock, on-screen fingerprint sensor, wireless Samsung DeX support, and the best feature on any cell phone out, the Bluetooth S Pen. All right, so all of that for $1,000. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes?
My white shoes.
Calm down. All right, here we go. Now this year, I went with the Mystic Green. Galaxy Note 20 5G. The G stands for gangster. All right, here we go. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. Since we got the green thing going, got the Incredible Hulk. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay, here we go. Now, so far, nice looking box. Y'all know I like a nice box. Who doesn't? Giggity. All right, inside, this is going to be your SIM ejection tool. See what else? And of course, your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. It's Note 20. Flick of the wrist. Now, this is going to be a 25 watt fast charging brick. Shoes, inspect that for quality. All right, now look, this is something that I don't like. There's supposed to be your S Pen removal tips in here. They're not there. All right, I don't like that. And this is going to be your USB Type-C charging cable. All right, shoes, quality control. And check this out. Empty box. No headphones, no dongle, no nothing. Now, on a side note, if you want the headphones, all you got to do is send Samsung a copy of your receipt, and they'll give it to you. But why you got to do all of that? All right, Samsung, y'all know I love y'all, but stop being cheap. All right, throw the headphones in the box. Throw the S Pen removal tips in the box. Throw a dongle in the box. All right, I don't like that. Anyway, I know. Let's get back to the device. Here we go. Mystic Green Galaxy Note 20 5G. All right, now let me do the smell test on this one. Now this one smells TGH. Now if you don't know what that means, that's too goddamn high. All right, $1,000 for this? No. But I will say this. Samsung has the best trade-in program on the market. Now I traded in last year's Galaxy Note for this one. They gave me $650. So technically, I'm only spending $350 on this, and at $350, this is a win. All right, here we go. Let's hit this power button, see if we got any juice. All right, there it is. Samsung Note 20 5G. We got to talk about this plastic back. Now, they say it's polycarbonate, but in the hood, we call that plastic. Let's see. Power button, volume up and down. SIM tray, mic. Other side is clean. On the bottom, USB Type-C, speaker grill, and of course, voila, Bluetooth S Pen. All right, so let me pause the video. I'll set up all my information. Then we'll do a little size comparison with the Galaxy Note 20, and we'll talk about some of the differences. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, now while I'm in the process of setting up all my information, let's talk about the main differences between the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Number one, now this is the most important difference, the price. The Galaxy Note 20 starts at $1,000. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra starts at $1,300. So that's a $300 difference, major savings. Next, build quality. Galaxy Note 20, polycarbonate back, aka plastic. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, glass back. Next, display. Galaxy Note 20, full HD 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a flat screen. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Quad HD 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED with 120 Hz refresh rate. Next, glass protection. Galaxy Note 20, Gorilla Glass 5. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Gorilla Glass V, Victus. That's the strongest glass on the market. Next, expandable memory. Galaxy Note 20, no expandable memory. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, expandable memory up to 1 terabyte. Next, RAM. Galaxy Note 20, 8 gigs of RAM. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, 12 gigs of RAM. Next, battery. Galaxy Note 20, 4,300 milliamps. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, 4,500 milliamps. And lastly, now this is one of the biggest differences, the camera. Galaxy Note 20 on the rear, you got a triple setup. All right, so that's two 12 megapixels and a 64 megapixel with 30 times zoom. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, triple camera setup on the rear, two 12 megapixels with 108 megapixels, laser autofocus, and 50 times scumbag zoom. Let's keep it moving. All right, now y'all remember last year, a lot of people went with the Galaxy Note 10 instead of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus because they didn't want a big giant phone. Watch this. Here's the Note 20, Note 20 Ultra. If you put them side by side, they're almost the same height. So that argument about buying the Note 20 as opposed to the Note 20 Ultra because you don't want a big phone goes out of the window. All right, here's another one. Now, a lot of people don't like buying phones with plastic backs because usually they don't have water resistance and they usually don't have wireless charging. Check this out. Galaxy Note 20, plastic back, has water resistance and wireless charger on deck. Now, there's an argument to be made about plastic backs. If you got butterfingers and you're always dropping your phone, you don't want a glass back. That's going to break more easily. The plastic back is going to be more durable. So having a plastic back with an IP rating and wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, that's pretty dope. All right, so now let's talk about the display. Now for me, this is a loss and a win. You're losing a Quad HD display, you're losing a brighter display, and you're losing that 120 hertz refresh rate. But you are winning with the flat screen. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Galaxy Note 20, flat panel. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, curved display. Now I'm going to be honest with y'all, I'm tired of the curved displays. And here's why. When you type in, you get too many accidental touches on the display. I don't like that. I wish they would have made this with a flat screen. So again, this is a win and a loss. All right, so now let's take a look at the cameras. Galaxy Note 20, triple camera setup, no laser autofocus. And of course, let's take it over to the zoom. 30 times scumbag zoom. Let's take a little picture. See how this comes out. Beautiful. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Take it over to the zoom. 50 times zoom. Take a little picture. And here's the difference. Both beautiful cameras, but you're getting way more zoom with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All right, now this may be hard to see on camera, but the display on the Galaxy Note 20 is way dimmer than the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and way less vibrant. If you look for yourself, they're both on max brightness, same settings, but this is Full HD versus Quad HD and 120 hertz refresh rate. But you can definitely see the difference in brightness. All right, now as far as the S Pen, they're exactly the same. You get all of your Bluetooth features, all of your remote control features, all of your gestures, and of course, call Mike, all of your screen write features. All right, so let me talk about the back one more time. Now, when I heard Samsung was going with polycarbonate instead of glass, my immediate reaction was, this is going to be trash. But after actually using it, I gotta say it, feels so good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. Now, Samsung did a good job of making it look exactly like the glass on the Note 20 Ultra. With that brushed aluminum look, they look the same. Now, as far as the feel though, they kind of feel similar, but you can tell this is plastic. and you can tell this is more of a premium material. Now, this one doesn't automatically feel like glass and automatically feel like trash. It's hard to explain. This one just feels a little bit more lightweight. But like I said earlier, some of y'all with Butterfingers, y'all gonna appreciate this. All right, it's gonna be way more durable, and you're still getting your water resistance, you're still getting your wireless charging, and most importantly, you're still getting that same look. All right, it doesn't look like a cheap version of a Galaxy Note. Now, as far as the other versions of the Note, without the brushed aluminum look, that's another story. But these two, they look the same. They almost feel the same. This one just has a more of a lightweight feel to it. More of a plasticky feel. But honestly, the glass on this one doesn't even feel like glass. This one kind of feels more like metal. Build quality A1 though, I'm not gonna complain. All right, so now let's check the speakers. Here's the Galaxy Note 20. Let's see if it has that same beautiful sound. Oh, definitely. Speakers sound great. Here's the Note 20 Ultra. Might be a hint louder. Let's try it side by side. All right, here's the Note 20. Ultra. Yeah, the Ultra is a little bit louder and sounds a little bit better. Now, I promised y'all I was going to make this quick, so let me wrap this up. Now, I'm going to use the Galaxy Note 20 for a couple of days, and this weekend, I'm going to do a combination full review of the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. If there's anything specific that y'all want to know, leave it in the comments section. Otherwise, fresh out of the box on a scale of 1 to 10, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5 Gangster is a major go. And with the Samsung trade-in program, $650 off, so I paid $350. That's a certified win. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize. All right, one more thing I wanted to mention. Now, for everybody asking about the giveaway for the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, it's still active. When I do my review on the Moto Edge and the Moto 360, we're going to have a little break in the video. I'll do the game show. We'll pick the winner for this, and we'll announce the next giveaway in that video. Stay tuned.